Counted. Agad. Serdigo. Pasto. Tirasa. Togo na be. Counted. Eji Boy. Fire. Wala pa rin. Kanina pa yan. Pasto. Kapilan for easy finish. Nice! Uy, wala. Second chance. Counted. Pass. Nice find. Counted. Malolopit na pa. Malak sila. Mas yan ah. Sir Eric. Score 2 points. Good pass. For triple. Counted. Ripaldas. Bang shot. Counted. Wide open. 2 points. Serigo to Kapilan. Kapilan to Ripaldas. Counted. Lase to. Di Silva back to Lase. May kasamang foul. First one counted. Second throw counted. One in the air. Trirasa. Wala rin. Second chance to Ripaldas. Kapilan. Counted. Open to, wala pa rin. Terasa. Ilinabas muna. To Ripaldas. Counted. Balyo Iripas. Di Silva, uy, wala, malakas. Ripaldas dribbling the ball versus to defender. Back to Ripaldas. Counted. Uy na. Recover. Boss Sir Eric. Nice find kay Eji Boy. The flash. Sir Eric. Oop. Bad pass. Wala pa rin. Lase. Counted. Go na be. Wala. Second chance. Ripalda pick. Ripaldas. Wala. Third chance by Go na be. Put back basket. City. One. Leg shot. Wala. Sir Eric to. Ripa up. Good play. To. Tirasa to Go na be. Easily up. Uy, in and out. Wala pa rin. OMG. Di Silva. Wala pa rin. Di Silva for the finish. Ang swerte ay dadaraon talaga ang bola. Wala. Eji Boy, the flash. For easy basket. Go na be to Kapilan. Nice. Counted. 360 yon. Spin shot. For triple downtown. Nice find by Go na be. Sula. Lassie looking to his Lassie. Fire counted. Nice find. Tira sa fire. In the hole. Wala. Gunabe. Up. Good play. Good play. De Silva. Wala. Lase. Recoveran. Counted. Sir Eric to Kapilan. May kasamang foul. Bonus throw. Uy, wala. In and out. Pass to Kapilan. Kapilan attack. Counted. Easy. Layup. Up. Bad pass. For the win. Wala. Second chance. Game over. Bad pass, bad pass.